Hello guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to unbox a new rock climber super alloy toy car. Let's unbox this. So you can check the front. This is our car and this is his remote. Look guys, from the side it's looking like here, and from the back side it look like this, and from this side says super alloy rock climbing car. As you can see, this is a 2.4 gigahertz. Here is electrical and oversized, and this is his high strength shock. So let's unbox. Now from the down. If you haven't yet subscribed the channel, so please subscribe my channel right now. Look at this big remote. I like his quality. This big remote, it have the steering. This is the steering wheel and this is the forward and reverse, and this is his antenna. Now we are going to open new big toy car. Look guys, how big is this toy car, and they give two motors, one for front motor and reverse motor. And look, this is a suspension, and it has two lights. This is really heavy guys. Look at his wheel. This is bigger than my palm. It's hard. We can't push it. It's a metal alloy car. It's heavy and it's strong. See, the suspension is really pushy and it's so big. I like the car's quality, and the most I like his wheel. And look guys, this is his battery compartment. And now let's put the battery in the remote. Put the battery in the remote. Now look guys, you can see the small light coming from the remote. That means this is on. Now look, in this box we found a charger to charge the battery, and a battery. It's not battery, it's Batra. And we also found a very little screwdriver. Oh, it's really tiny. It's just smaller than my finger. Ants can't carry it. Now it's really funny. Now let's open the battery compartment. Look guys, I have opened the battery compartment. This is the battery compartment. We have fixed the battery in it, you can see. Now let's put the cap. Now let's close the cap. Look guys, now I have closed the battery compartment. It is done and tight. Now let's on it, and now let's on the remote, and you can see Look guys, wow, it can go super fast. I charge it. Wow, it's really slippery. I have a slippery table. Whoa. So let's go out and test the car. Now we are going to test in our playground. Let's go. We are in ground. We are going to test our car. Look guys, our car looks like this. Now let's start.
Start.
Look guys how it's going. Look guys how it's going. Now let's try the steering. Look guys, it can go so nice. Now guys, now we are going to test in the grass. Look guys, we have came to the grass. Now let's test. Look how it can go. It can go backward, forward. Also. Beep, beep. Wow guys, it's so shiny. Wow guys, it's so shining in the sun. Look, it's so shiny. Now let's try over here guys. So guys, you saw a car jumped from the height and landed on the grass and performed very well, and it's very high speed and it's so heavy. And when I jumped, these two lights began to broke a little bit, and this it was very shiny in the sun, and the suspension worked very good. See you the next video. Till then, goodbye.